Alright, we're gearing up to head out for the second regional. First one didn't go as planned, missed the cut by about 70. I split a lot. It was just a bad day. Today, it's gonna be a better day. Interesting format. Practice session for an hour starting at 10 o'clock in the morning. And then we have qualifying at 12:30. I'm going back inside. Qualifying at 12:30. Pro-Am at 6, which is similar as far as how much time I spent at the bowling alley to the first one, and didn't get back till super late, didn't get a lot of sleep, so hopefully tonight will be a little bit better. But we have to make the cut this time to bowl tomorrow, so obviously we plan on making the cut and bowling tomorrow, so I guess we'll deal with rest when we make the cut, so we'll see you at the bowl. Alright, we made it to the bowling center. Practice has already started. I think I'm just gonna observe for a little bit, learn some, and then we'll go from there. Just finished our 1 hour of practice. I don't think scores are gonna be very high. I think the fresh is gonna be kind of tricky. They should open up a little bit towards the end. I had a few balls looked okay. Actually wasn't here for the fresh, but I'm either gonna hook it off the rip or throw urethane in between the second and third arrow. Right looks no good. I don't know what scorpion this is, but if it's the one with the 2 strips, it makes a lot of sense. So, a High Road Pro looked really good, and everywhere in Hawaii hooks as soon as the ball touches the lane. And I'm assuming they're using the same oil as the last one because it just makes sense. Which, with how old the lane surfaces are getting here, it would make more sense for them to use something like ice or just one of the slicker oils. We'll see how it goes. It makes sense. High Road Pro looks good because early hook, High Road Pro, get down the lane, lots of strikes. So hopefully we throw more strikes than last time because we missed 1 spare and split 12 times. We just gotta minimize the damage, but I can't see the scores being much higher than the last regional. We start in a couple hours, a little less than a couple hours. So yeah, we're gonna get some food and then we'll play. Here we go. We got, what, 8 games qualified this time? I don't think they're gonna be very easy. ready for the YouTube comment coaching section. Help me out. Let me know what I'm doing wrong, because obviously you guys know more than I do, because I see it all the time. So, rate my performance 1 out of 10. Let me know. I'll read your comments, and then I'll just shake my head on the way home. I'm 47 under after 2. They are really hard, but I still feel like I just need to bowl better. For the first time this trip, I'm in the positive. Just pulled 260 plus 20. We have 4 games to go though, so a lot can happen. But all right, nice. It's a good thing we bowled a couple of really good games because they were tricky, especially at the end. I ran out of lane. I kept trying to go left, my ball never pushed through it, so I ended up moving back right. 10th frame, threw a double for 180, and then the fireball special in the field just to make sure we got a good count. 110 over, I believe we're leading going into tomorrow. Apparently the number's gonna be like 50 under or so. I knew they were hard, didn't think they were that hard, especially because they take 12 for tomorrow, but High Road Pro was very good, and will always be up there. My favorite balls. So hit that sub button. We're leading. Quite the opposite of the first tournament, but I'm glad we didn't get blanked. And now we got to bowl the Pro-Am. Long day, but the fans came out to watch and to bowl at the Pro, so suck it up and do what we got to do.
Okay, awesome.
You're on YouTube.
I'm on YouTube now. I'm YouTube famous.
We're missing the headpin to the left a bunch of times.
That's why I didn't have one anyway. I hit pins. That's the goal. You throw something down and it hits the pins, and we succeed.
To be fair, he just picked up bowling again after 25 years, 2 weeks ago.
I'm only 27, but yes.
Wait, did you, what?
No.